Hello, Cascia Hall. These doors behind me, these old wooden castle-like doors, are an iconic feature of our campus here at Cascia Hall. In fact, originally, these doors were the main entrance to the school before we had the addition over toward the tax center. But due to aging, near constant use, and weathering, the doors need to be replaced. These doors and the doors out of the building onto the monastery patio and the single door into the small tower around the corner into the monastery all need to be replaced. Thanks to the foresight of our chief of engineers, our head of maintenance, a number of years ago, Mr. Bruce Denny, we have wood from the campus that has been set aside specifically for this project. Wood taken from trees that had to be removed or trees that had fallen because of storms. And we've been in contact with the master carpenter, and we're all set to replace these doors. We have a rich tradition here at Cascia Hall and a long history. And I'd invite you to consider the possibility of helping us with this project and becoming a part of this unique tradition, this rich tradition, in a special way. Cascia Hall, we have a responsibility to maintain our beautiful campus for our students, for our families, and for our future. So please consider this special project, and thank you for all that you do for Cascia Hall.